Good morning children. Today I am going to take class 5 subject value education. Lesson number 4, the spirit of service. Spirit means what? The spirit of service. I hope the team will build on the spirit of confidence. Right? You have to build your confidence level. Okay, in heartfully you have to do service. If someone is hungry, feed him. If thirsty, quench the thirst. If tired, see that he rest. This is true service. Who was hungry, you have to feed them. Who was the thirsty, you have to give water. And see whether they have tired. Let them take the rest. This is the true service. Okay, to help others by making their lives better. Okay, that one should not do it just for charity, but aim at making the receiver become self-sufficient. Okay, this is the true service. Here activities there. Your father has gone out of station for work. Your mother has fever. What do you do? Here two options are given. See, your father has gone out of station. Okay, suddenly your mother has got fever. What do you do? Ring up your grandmother and tell her to come to look after your mother. Second, ring up the doctor. Tell mommy symptoms. Take the name of the medicines and give it to her. Then make tea for her and sit with her. Which one you will choose? You will ring up to your grandmother or you call up to your doctor to tell mommy symptoms and you have to look after. Which one? Second one. You have to look after. Okay. And you have to take the name of the medicine and give to her and you have to do tea for her and sit with her. Okay. Tick mark for second. Here story is there. This story tells that true service is not about surviving by giving money but about surviving physically. Okay, the true service is not only giving money but also surviving physically. Okay, read on to know how Ridhnath changes the look of a village by giving his time and experts and not just money. Shall we start the story? True service. This is a story about three men. Their names were Siddharth, Sid, Kedarnath, Kid and Ridhnath, Rid. They are three men. Can you see this picture? The three men. They had left their village many years back and had gone to a big city to make money and become rich. What the three men has done? They left their village many years back. They had gone to a big city to earn money and they become very rich. They were now returning to the village as very rich men. They are returning to the village as very rich men. Since they had a lot of gold and silver ornaments and cash with them, they decided to travel together. What they decided? They had so many gold and silver ornaments and cash with them. So they decided to travel together. They were accompanied by servants, cooks, guards and helpers as befitted rich man. They have now become the rich man. They had got servants, cooks and helpers with them. When Sid, Kid and Rit came to the village, they were horrified at what they saw. They came back to the village and they were so horrified and what they saw. The land was dry and barren. To poor, barren means to poor to produce much or any vegetation. Okay, it was very dry land. Men and animals were dying because of lack of food, water and medicines. Because the men and animals, what's happened? Because of no food, no water, no medicine, they were dying because of lack of food, water and medicine. In short, the village was in a grip. Effective control over something. They are very control over something of a survivor drought. Drought means was a long period of a time during which no rain falls. No rainfall means the land was very dry. Right. It was very dry because no rain falls. Sid went to the village square. What happened? Sid went to the village square. When they are coming back from the city, they saw the village was very dry. Right. Sid went to the village square. He told his men to beat drums and call all the villagers to the square. What happened? The Sid went to the square and he told his men to beat the drums and call all the villagers at the square. Here he gradually distributed gold and silver to the people. What he has done? The Sid has distributed gold and silver to the people. His men quickly built his statue at the square to show what a great man Sid was. What happened? The people, when they saw the Sid has distributing gold and silver, the people has quickly they built the statue of Sid to show what a great man Sid was. Right.